Hey guys, this is a disclaimer regarding the videos. Please note that the derivations used here are created for the sole purpose of remembering the kanjis and does not translate to any other meaning. Let us continue from the part rule number 2 and rule number 3, which this video is in continuation of the previous video. The link of the previous video is in the description box. So let's go ahead with some more examples for rule number 2 and rule number 3. For rule number 2, we will study the two kanjis. The first one is called soro or bend, to bend actually. This is the kanji. And the second kanji that we have is saka, which means slope, and the kanji is represented by this. Now we have the common part of the kanji, that is this part, which is called soro or bend. And how do we remember this kanji? Let us consider, first let us use our imagination and consider this as our hand, and consider this part as a curve, and this is our hand. So when you push your hand towards this, let's say it's made of rubber, so it will get bent, right? It will be bent, and which means soro or to be bent. So this is how you can remember the kanji soro. The next kanji that we have is slope or saka. Now this part, it represents the earth or chuchi. So this is a bend on the earth. A bend on the earth. This is the earth and this is a bend on the earth, and this bend is called a slope. So this is how we can remember this kanji saka or slope. Now let's move on to the third point. That is, pictures are turned into kanji. Here we have to use our imagination, and let us take the example of this kanji. This kanji is called take, or in English it means bamboo. So Japan has a famous bamboo grove called the Arashiyama bamboo forest in Kyoto. So the bamboo trees, they are like this, they are very tall and the leaves are somewhere near the top. So just imagine this and try this kanji. Say this is the leaf part of the bamboo trees. So this is what we call as take or bamboo. The second kanji that we can remember is this. This is called hane. Hane means wings, wings of a bird or wing. So birds has usually, like we say, two right wings. When we draw a bird, we usually draw two wings. So these are the two wings, and if we draw it in 2D, this portion becomes this, and this portion becomes this. So this is wings or honey. This is how we need to remember this kanji. So that is all for this video. We have around 24 rules, and I will upload the videos for the next part as well. So stay tuned, please subscribe, and for any questions or queries, please reply in the comment section. Thank you and have a good day.